So guys, welcome to my video. This video is basically the demonstration of Nmap and Zenmap tool. So what is an Nmap? Nmap stands for the network mapper. So when you enter man and map, you can see the manual of Nmap. It is a network mapper. It is an open source tool for network exploration. We usually use this tool to find open ports or closed ports or filtered ports to know the port information and to find the versions, and of course we can use this tool to find the operating system in which the target is running and a lot more informations when you use this tool. Nmap is a powerful tool. So when you enter man nmap, you can see the manual. So as you can see, when you give nmap -a -t4 and scanme.nmap.org, which is the target that this is the website that Nmap provided us to test Nmap. So we can use this website for testing purpose. So I am gonna open that website in my browser. So I think there is an issue in the website. Like, yeah, scanme.nmap.org has some issues, so that's why it's not working. So basically, the website is for testing Nmap, provided by the tool Nmap. This website is provided by the tool Nmap for testing. I think there is an issue with the website right now. Anyways, if you're watching this video, then you can try this website for scan. Anyways, I am now going to test Nmap. So in this video, I will show you some basic comments of Nmap. Like when you enter Nmap and like you can enter right now scanme.nmap.org. So when you enter Nmap space the target, like you can see the basic information about the port that is open in the target, which is port 22, port 25, port 80. Yeah, you can see the ports here, and you can also see the state, which is open state, filtered state, and yeah, you can see the states here and the services here like SSH, SMTP, HTTP. So this is the services. Okay, so this is the basic command when you enter nmap and the target. You can see like this. So there is another command like nmap -s capital V and the target, like we can enter scan me.nmap.org. So when you press the space button, you can see the progress. It's about 49.07%. So as you can see, what is the difference here? As you can see the version. Previously, what you see when you enter nmap and the target, you can see like port, state, service. But when you use this flag -sv, what you are now seeing is like not only port, state and service, there is another which is called version. You can see the versions, right? So these items doesn't have version, that is why it's not showing. But if you enter -s capital V command, you can see the version. Okay, there is another command like nmap -f for fast scan. Like press enter. So this command is basically used for fast scan. As you can see, the result will come fastly. So this is for fast scan. You have to take a note about the comments that I am gonna demonstrate in this video. So I will demonstrate some basic comments of Nmap, and of course I am gonna also show you Zenmap and what is Zenmap, and I am gonna explain about Zenmap too in this video. Okay, there is another command called nmap -p for the port. Like we can enter 21 and scanme.nmap.org, it is a target. As you can see, we specified the port number like -p specifies the port 21. So as you can see, 21 port is closed and its service version. Like you can specify port number scans, like by using this -p flag, you can find if the particular port is open or not. Like we can also enter nmap -p 22,21 like and the target to see 22 and 21 ports information, like it is closed or open. As you can see, 22 is open here and 21 is closed. To know the information about the port, we use minus p command. We also have a command like nmap minus p minus. This stands for scanning all port. So minus p minus command is used for scanning all the ports. Okay. So as you see, like what we done here, like we used flags like minus sb and minus f and minus p, and here the minus p minus. So we used a single flag in Nmap. Not only single flag, we can also include multiple flags. Like I'm gonna demonstrate in, I'm just opening another tab. Okay. When you enter my nmap minus sb for the service version, and you can also include minus p for the port, and I'm going to include 22, and you can enter the target, which is scanme.nmap.org, which is a testing website provided by Nmap. So in this video I'm gonna scan that. Okay, as you can see here, we put two flags, like we need to know the service version, and also we need to know the information about the port 22. So this is nmap that we use is for network mapper. So we use two flags. These are called, we can call this as flags, like the comment starting with the minus, we can call this as flag. Okay, so this is minus sp for service version and minus p 22, which stands for we are only scanning the port 22. As you can see in the results, this is this scan that port 22, which is TCP, which is open state, which is service. As you can see, the service is SSH, and we use this flag for specifying the version, right? You get the version right here, right? So when you enter nmap and minus p22, what do you see before, like as you can see, like minus p21 here. So what you see is like port, state, and service. When you include minus sv, then you can see the version. You can also include multiple flags in a single scan. Okay, and the some scans takes time, like minus p minus is for scanning all the ports. It will take time. To know the progress, we can press any button. It's 47.68% done. You have to wait to get the result. Anyways, we can open another tab and make familiar with another command like minus a, like capital A. Like the minus capital A stands for aggressive scanning. So nmap will aggressively scan when you use the command minus a. Okay, let's press the any button, like I'm pressing space button to know the progress. Like it's 75% done. Let's wait some time. Let's see, it is coming fast. Yeah, it's scanning. So some scans will take some time. So let's move on to another command. Like I'm going opening another tab, and there is another command like minus O, capital O. Like you can use nmap minus capital O and the target to know the operating system. This command is used to know the operating system. Okay, which operating system is the target? To know we are using minus O, and sometimes it may not accurate also. As you can see, when you use the minus O flag in nmap, you can see like port, state, services. Not only that, we also we use that flag to find a version, like operating system, right? So as you can see, OS is Linux. You can see the operating system by using that command. Like you will get the Linux, it is based on Linux, and the version number here, right? Linux version. When you use minus O, it will scan for the operating system of the target. Okay. So these are some basic comments. Let's go back. Let's see, it's 95.19% done, and let's try it's 90.04% done. So some if you use some flags like all port scanning or some other flags, some takes time. Okay, if something takes time, so it will give you lots of information. Okay, so it's 96.79 percentage. Let's wait some time. Okay, I'm opening another tab. Okay, so you can also use a command like nmap minus h for help menu. Like you can see loads of comments here. I represented some basic nmap flags for you, but you can see like input file name and ir. You can see loads of like ping scan and lots of flags here. You can try this by yourself to know about it. Okay, this is the port range that we scanned before, like minus p22, like it is the one that we scanned before, like the fast mode for scanning fast, and there are minus R for scan ports sequentially. You can try this by yourself. Okay, this is for finding the version. Like you can see, as you can see, service version info, and there is a script scan. Like when you enter the nmap minus h, you can see the help menu, right? OS detection, enable OS detection, minus capital O. You have to careful look at the capital and small letters. Okay, so Linux is case sensitive, so you have to enter comments as case sensitive. This is capital O. You have to remember about that, and you can see lots of comments here. You can try it yourself. Okay, so we can move back. Like yeah, the this is our aggressive scan. Like as you can see, it takes time. As you can see, when you give minus F flag, which is for aggressive scan, these are the informations that is available right now. Like you can see the port, state, service, and the version. Yeah, all the informations for aggressive scan. If you scan aggressive scan, then it will give you all the informations like SSH post key and lot more information like filtered ports, open ports, all the information like OS guesses. So minus A, when you give that minus A flag, you will get loads of information, right? Like OS guess and lot of information. So that is the use of minus A flag in Nmap. As you can see, the minus P minus, which is also done for scanning all ports in Nmap. As you can see, it will scan all the ports. So it takes time, but it will scan all the ports. As you can see, in the first, what we scanned is just Nmap and the target. As you can see, the ports that is opened are like that shown here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 ports that shown by just entering the command nmap space scanme.nmap.org. When you enter minus p minus, what you see is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, level 12. You additionally got two more open ports, right? So that is the purpose of using minus p minus. So when you enter some basic comments like nmap space the target, what you see is just something. It will not show everything like every open ports and every closed ports, every filter ports. Yeah, when you use this minus p minus command, it will give some depth information. So it will scan in deep and give you lots of information. As you see, like two other ports, as you can see, like we get 12 results, like 12 ports here by using the command flag minus p minus. But when you enter just nmap and the target, what you see is the 10 open ports. So using this minus p minus will give you some more information. Okay, this is all about nmap. Okay, let's move on to the next, which is called Zenmap. Actually, what is the Zenmap? When you enter Zenmap, if it is not installed by default, you can enter sudo apt install Zenmap to install it. So I installed already, so I enter Zenmap and press enter. Zenmap is basically the GUI of Nmap, which is the graphical user interface of Nmap. So you don't have to remember lots of flags like minus sp and minus p minus in Zenmap. So Zenmap is GUI. So when you click here, the profile in Zenmap, like as you can see, indent scan, ping scan, quick scan, regular scan. So you don't have to remember about the flags. As you can see the comment here, nmap minus t 4 minus a minus v. You don't have to remember about the comments. That is the use of Zenmap. So I will demonstrate that for you. So this is the target text box. So I am entering scanme.nmap.org. This is our target right now. So I am gonna scan, like I'm gonna click quick scan. As you can see, it's minus F for fast scan, right? So here is the scan button. When I click scan, you can see the result here. So Zenmap is basically the GUI of Nmap. So you don't have to remember lots of like what I say, like lots of flags. So Zenmap is easier. Like it will when you click the profile, when you change the profile, the comment will also change. When you click indent scan, as you can see, it will give the flag -A, which is for aggressive scanning, and ping scan, it will give -SN. Like we can scan this ping scan by clicking the scan button. As you can see, we have to wait some time. As you can see, one IP address scanned in 0.35 seconds. This is host is up. So it's Nmap done. So yeah, let's move on to indent scan. Like when you plus indent scan and wait some time, you can see some information for intensively scan. Like it is included -A flag for aggressive scan. So yeah, that is use of Nmap. So basically, what Zenmap is the GUI of Nmap, and you don't have to remember complex flagging techniques in this Zenmap. If you use Zenmap, you can change the profile for the type of scan, like indent scan, scan UDP for scan all TCP ports. Like as you can see, the comment for all TCP ports, everything here. So this was our previous result. Okay. So basically this is Zenmap. You can scan the target without remembering any comment. So this is all about the video. If you have any doubts, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.